I think you got it. Did you get it? That's it. Okay, apparently he pressed the button and we go this time. So, Shinobi vlog. Japanese variations on the necktie. Hit it! We got Pedro again.
I like turtles.
He likes turtles. So we're going to go from turtles. So a lot of people like turtles, including me. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in below. It's funny. So we're going to go turtle position to get the Japanese necktie. It's kind of like the same setup for the bars. So I want to get my arm inside here, but what I do is I want to be a little bit sideways. So in order to do that, lift the other leg up. So you're trying to suck your tongue. Catch here, and now I'm just going to use this shoulder, shut this arm, use the right shoulder to pop him. Come around, keep it on the side, step over that leg and catch it. And now I'm going to fall to that shoulder, tuck the head as I go. So fall here, tuck the head, and then just bring it. It's really strong. Same again. So, if you haven't got long arms, you're never going to get, it's easy for him to pummel up a little bit with the head. You push up, I'm never going to get here. So when I get to this position, I push on the head, step up, so I'm sideways. Look, my body's sideways. Like I can almost suck my tongue, grab it, gives you more space. Tuck this down, use the shoulder to pop him and the arm. So my shoulder that's under his armpit lifts. I stay on my toes here, look. Step around, I know where the leg is, catch it. Tuck the head, drop the shoulder, up, night, click. And then Pedro is an actual osteopath, so I don't know how he's going to fix himself. Sorry, osteopath, not a chiropractor. Till the next one, we've one more variation on that. Hashtag we're after. Okay.